I have a Fiat 500 Lounge 2020, and I looked all over for how to reset the time after the time change, and it kept telling me to use the menu button right here. Well, that did nothing. So I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, all I've done is I've turned the car on. I'm not moving. I've just accessed the power. And wait for this panel to come up. Go to settings. Go down, time and date. And here's where you can set the time. So I just press that 1 hour back and it's set. And so then that's all you have to do. Much simpler than trying to figure it out with that button. Have a nice day.